Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I want to share with you my behind the scenes vlog of my one-shot 360 photography. And in this video, I have captured a spring blossom with 3 1-inch sensors. Of course, you can see from the intro, it's a RICOH THETA Z1, but I have vlogged all the process I captured with the RICOH THETA Z1 with this 1-inch Leica Mod on the Insta360 One R. That is a very interesting combination of the 360 cameras, especially the modular design, and it's gonna be very interesting. Now, let's get started. Now I'm vlogging with Insta360 One R 1-inch Leica Mod, and now I'm in this very beautiful place. I'm going to take some very interesting panorama with the RICOH THETA Z1. In my last video I have shown you how I take the shot with the Bushman 8K, but this time let's try with the RICOH THETA Z1. And today we have a much better light condition compared with the other day. You can see here, right? The sunlight. Sun is very bright. The flower is even better than our last shot. Okay, let's move on. See the other place. Look at this. This is just beautiful. And now I have put my RICOH THETA Z1 inside these beautiful flowers, as you can see here. And on the far side is the sunlight, and you can see the round. It's just beautiful, right? And of course, I will enable this DualFisheye Plugin for the HDR capture because the light is just right. Okay, see that, right? And we take a look at this place. You can see the environment is just beautiful. And now I'm going to capture this beautiful scenery with the HDR DNG mode, which I will get in-camera HDR DNG directly. And I will choose 7 shot. And now I'm going to hide myself. I'm going out. Oh, yes. Now I'm going to take that shot. Next up, I'm going to find some other point of view, because in the forest we have already captured the same point of view a few days ago. So I will try a different angle. And now I'm in this beautiful place. You can see here, right? We are going to take a really interesting shot in this forest. The sun is going down. The beautiful light will probably disappear after a short while. So I decided to find the best light condition, but rather to capture the best flowers. As you can see, this place has very good light. I'm going to capture one of the shots in this place. This is my point of view. I put the camera here not only because it could capture very beautiful light, you can see that, but also you can see the textures on the trees will make this panorama more vivid. So now, put this point of view here. It's beautiful light and very good texture. Going far away and take the shot. you can see as the lights fall off, the textures on the trees is also fantastic. So I'm going to take a panorama inside the trees, the branches, because I love the shadows. I love the textures. I think it's gonna be a very interesting panorama. This is how I put my camera. You can see I put the Z1 in between the trees, branches, and the other between the leaves, and you can see these textures are amazing. And you can also find, if you look to this side, you can see the beautiful light. But to capture the maximum depth of field, I will try to use f5.6 and also with the DualFisheye HDR DNG directly get a very high quality raw photo in the RICOH THETA Z1. Despite shooting only with the RICOH THETA Z1, I also capture some very interesting photo with this 1-inch Leica Mod. And you might have already seen in this video. So vlogging with the one-shot 360 camera is a lot of fun. I think I have found a very interesting place. As you can see, the place behind myself, the sunset just located right in between the trees. You can see the sunlight falls on the flowers, and it's very beautiful here. You can see the golden sunlight has fallen on the flowers. And this time I put the camera here, not only because we can capture the light behind the camera, you can see right there, but also you can see the tree branches has very good texture to make this panorama more vivid. And you can also see these flowers that will make the zenith part very interesting. And all the other round you can see, and with stunning light. The light is going to fall off to the mountain, and that's gonna be a very interesting shot. See that my RICOH THETA Z1 is capture this stunning photograph. Look right there, it's just there, right? You can see I have captured with the DualFisheye Plugin remote. On my way home, I have captured some very interesting panorama with the Z1, and also I'm very glad to vlog the whole process with the 1-inch Leica Mod. I think it's gonna be a very memorable shooting experience on the way back home. And this spring blossom is just fantastic. I will share more of my behind-the-scenes shot later during the coronavirus, during this spring. So, see you next time. Bye. I hope you enjoyed my panorama capture with the RICOH THETA Z1. And I also do hope that you could enjoy yourself with the vlog videos with the Leica 1-inch mod for the Insta360 One R. And especially some very interesting normal capture with the night mode on the Insta360 One R. And that's all for this video. If you like it, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. But if you dislike or if it's not entertaining, feel free to hit the dislike twice. Alright, I'm done. See you next time. Bye.